25. Happy New Year, friends. This soy sauce mochi completed. Yeah. And then this is azuki red bean, which is daikon. This for the Japanese New Year. Yeah, down and squish the finished rice, so it becomes a giant glutinous material. Yeah, add some nice stuff like wheat, nori rice. Yeah, oh yeah, hear that? You squeeze it down, you pound it down with this hammer, and this giant stone bowl. Yeah, man, it's like how I feel like the people did, the farmers, the monks in the past. Yeah, and then you roll out 2 little pieces, just like the ones they sell at Daiso. Now you fold it into itself and take out some of the organic matter. Smash, 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 smashing. And then look at that. All they're getting like pound. I only do it by machine, but you know, back in the day it's like this. And yeah, sometimes you make it for the neighborhood, so you make like, you know, 60 to 100 pounds and then share with the neighborhood. And now you flip it and roll it so that it becomes smash, smash. One of the giant ones takes a huge, lots of rice, maybe 1 kg of rice. Takes long to make. Steam it for 100 times. Feel the flip at the. It's like the way you see at the shrine and stuff. Many times. You get a nice big fillet stuff. And you add some nice wheat there. Pound away. It's quite physical. See, the rice is coming together. Fold, pound. So it really takes like 2 people minimum. Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. I'm gonna ask crazy. Look at mother.
Stand here, right here. Right, you don't.
This is.
少し返した方がいいんじゃない？
Yeah, like China. I mean Japan.
Yeah. もうちょっと端っこを返した方が。
Oh, thank you. I got it from all sides. Look at that. Just the first one. 20 minutes of pounding each. Oh, done. Look at that. Beautiful. This one's got some organic matter in it, so we won't eat this. It's for the Jap community in the area, the local community, just to put in to show thanks for the year. Now we busy hands spreading it out, clearing it to make sure it's right shape, flat. Add some little taste, like what's it, sesame? Oh no, just flour. This green nori, and then yeah, so turn that into a giant flat piece of mochi. We do this every year. Yeah man. Hey, look, the mochi turned into little balls, various sizes for various places near the little shrines and in homes and the neighborhood as neighborhood presents. Check it out. Now we add the nori, and then we crush some peanuts, and we make it into a nice mochi mix. This is what we will eat, tell, right? So we gotta dip it, but then we gotta combine all that, we crush it, we combine. It smells so strong. See? Now you gotta fold it into it, just like some bread dough. It smells so strong, like nori. Oh my gosh. And then we continue crushing with the mallet. That's how crushing with the mallet. Pound, crab pound. You pound it. Oh, look at that. The peanuts are flying. That's what we do to make the nori. Yeah, look at that. Oh, this one's gonna be delicious. It's gonna taste like M peanuts. Very Japanese taste. Look at with more pounding and it's gotten deeper. Yeah, it's been pounded at least 60 times by now. Yeah.
いやでも運動不足の方がさ
60 times or more. Look at the deep green. This is the same mochi guy. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Pound, pound, pounding, pound. Pounding, 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 pounding. That. Stretching that mochi we just crushed into a giant flat piece. The seaweed and some kind of nut. What kind of nut is it? What kind of nut?
生子みたくする
Pecan? Is it peanuts?
アーモンド
Almond nuts and nori seaweed in the mochi rice
こ
cake.
こが熱い
Now I get it to the flat piece. We're going to cut into many pieces for the family and neighborhood. One more where we put the rice in, and then we're going to crush it again. That's right. We made 3 for the neighborhood. Before we made 6. Oh yeah, we made a lot. Look at that rice cooling, yeah? Very good stuff there. Look at that. It's a giant tub of rice. It's actually mochi rice. Very gelatinous. Very sticky stuff. Sometimes mix it, but that, look at that. Yummy. Oh yeah. Different angle we got there.
Still need more mashed.
Yeah. Look at that. Smash, smash, smash. The different angle. Look at that. We could just do it. Yeah, look at that. We're smashing so it gets sticky, and then we're gonna crush it to be more sticky. It's like 2 phases, really. This is like the 3rd one, man. Imagine, like all the prep work, this size, this mochi. Yeah, man, this is the 3rd one. So this takes about 20 minutes to pound,
食べる分と
20 minutes to cut and separate. Whew, it's a long day's worth of work. This is the 3rd one.
これは
Oh, the final one
一生で最後
of
の
mochi. Last one for us. Whoa. Look at that. It's hot, by the way, guys. The viewers. Imagine if it's like, 30 plus degrees over, 40, 60, maybe 70, 80 degrees C. I meant 67 degree plus F.